I wear retainers and I wanted a simple, reliable way to keep them actually clean. So here's a quick review of this ultrasonic oral appliance cleaner. If you wear retainers, you know soaking alone doesn't really cut it and brushing only gets you so far. Bacteria and buildups still happen. One thing that really mattered to me is the tank material. This uses SUS 304 stainless steel, which is food grade. That means I can safely use a homemade cleaning solution, half vinegar, half water, without worrying about damaging the tank. It has several different cleaning functions, but it's honestly as simple as the push of a button. Drop your retainers in, press start, and it does the work. I'll be honest, it did leave a little bit of cloudy residue, so it wasn't a flawless result, but overall it cleaned much better than soaking alone or even brushing. It also has UV sanitation, it runs quietly, and cleanup afterward was a breeze. For the price, this is a great value and an easy way to better protect your oral health. If you wear retainers, this is a solid upgrade.